What is cracking, family? We have finally reached 50,000 subscribers across the world. 50k. How sick is that? How crazy? And yeah, of course I had to turn the camera on and we need to do this big boy giveaway coming up, so make sure you stay tuned.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Guys, I just want to say thank you. As always, I want to share my gratitude. I'm super humbled, really overwhelmed. 50,000 people is just an immense amount of people, man. It's just crazy. And to think that when I started 4 years ago, 2015 is when I first switched on the camera. It took me nearly 3 years to get to 10,000. That just is just mad. And then at the end of last year, we got to pretty much about 30,000, and now we're at 50,000, and we're only in kind of September, which is just madness. And for anyone out there trying to get into YouTube, trying to build a brand, the best advice I can give you is just to keep going. Like when I first started, I never thought you could even hit these kind of numbers. And the more and more content, the more and more work I decided to put in, and the more I stayed hungry, like the numbers and everything else just started to look a lot more incredible and insane. You know, that said, like I always say, the success is never based on these type of metrics as well, guys. And it doesn't matter about the followers, the likes, the views, whatever it is. You just got to keep doing what you love, and that is all I've done. As the population grows, as the following grows, as the movement grows, just an amazing blessing, man. It's just incredible. And we got a massive giveaway, right? And what I want you to do is just comment down below. You're gonna get commenting very soon. I'm going to tell you how you need to enter, but this is what you're going to win, right? Quite a lot of prizes, multiple winners, and this is what we're going to do, right? The first kind of prize, or the first winner, could receive £25 gift voucher for my website. You can just take anything you want. The second prize is going to be basically, you're going to get signed rope. So one of my 4 lines of ropes, I'm going to make sure I sign a money rope, tech rope, legacy rope, an icon, and so that's going to be 4 winners there. And then we're also going to do like an accessory pack. So if anyone wants to win the backpack or sound pods, right? This is just a massive giveaway. And this is what I want you to do to enter, right? I've been working hard, as always, behind the scenes on a new concept rope. So we just brought out the icon rope, which is just mad. But we're also thinking of a new line to go live in 2020, right? Now, my preference is to go for a kind of mid-heavy rope. So one that splits the money rope and legacy rope right down the middle, and it's kind of like a performance rope, and it's going to cater to like a 6mm rope or an 8mm rope. So it's a little bit heavier, and it's going to range between kind of like 200 grams, 250 grams, which is kind of like a ½ pound if you're working in that metrics. I'm putting up the prototype on the screen here. No secrets, guys. Normally I kind of keep it quiet until I've got the kind of prototype ready, but I just want to share it with you, and it's not like anyone's going to copy, right? Not saying anything else. Anyway, the point is that I want you to give me your feedback down below. Let me know what you want to see in this rope, what I could do to improve it, what I could do to kind of just, yeah, improve the whole kind of overall look, what you want to see in the packaging. What I'm planning is to have a rubber grip on this one. It's going to be like a chunkier version of the money rope, so it's going to have that really cool look that the money rope has, the really cool feel, the ergonomics as always. But we're going to maybe attach this rubber grip, which is something that's not been seen as well in the market. Normally it's a foam grip, and I don't really like that look, and I don't think it feels that good. So we're going to try and make some changes. It might come with 2 ropes as well, just like we've done with the icon. Loads to talk about with this rope, but I want it to be something that has input from everyone across the world, everyone that follows me, everyone that supports me. I want this rope to be pretty much created by the people, created by you guys. Get involved on this giveaway, make history with me. This rope is actually gonna be sick. It's gonna be killer for your workouts. It's gonna allow you to perform tricks as always, keep things looking slick as I love. And the main thing is you're just gonna build up a massive sweat, get a crazy workout, and you're gonna get the most out of your cardio, right? That's what we do here. Lastly, if you can, for bonus points, I would like you to also give me a name that you think I should call this rope, right? So we have these crazy names as always. We have the money rope, legacy, we have icon, tech. What would you call this? I have some ideas as well on paper. Just let me know your feedback, what you'd love to see. And that's it, guys. Enter. And just want to say thank you very much from the whole team here. I can't stop smiling. It's just amazing to think, you know, from where we started, just where we are right now. And there's so much clean road ahead of us. And I can't wait to see where it goes. So once again, big up. I hope you have a great week. And you know, I love you all, man. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.